Windows April 10th update, why you should wait before installing Microsoft's latest upgrade. Windows 10 users beware, there is a new bug that could mean you lose access to your desktop entirely. Microsoft has rolled out the Windows April 10th update with lots of great new features, but quite a few bugs too. If you've not updated, it might be worth waiting for them to be fixed before hitting the install button. The latest bug in the new Windows April 10th update appears to cause a lack of access to the desktop for some users. The problem, as reported by multiple people on the Microsoft support forum, took effect after the update installation. Once the install was complete, users were met with a blank screen and a worrying message saying that the desktop file could not be found. The problem may not be Microsoft's fault on this occasion. Computer Seller took to Reddit to point out that a common thread was that users with the issue were running the Avast antivirus application. The shop recommends users uninstall the antivirus software before installing the Windows April 10th update. This might sound a bit dodgy to many though, so waiting for Microsoft to fix the issue may be a better course of action. The Register, which has investigated the issue, has been told by Microsoft that it is probing the situation. The news of this latest problem comes as some Windows 10 users are reporting issues after upgrading to the latest version of the software. Microsoft has also had issues with the April update causing problems for users of the company's own Surface devices. Microsoft has already rolled out a fix for a major bug that was found by users who installed the April update shortly after it was released. This froze Chrome and even affected Microsoft's own Cortana virtual assistant. Why upgrade to the April update at all? There are plenty of positives brought by the update that Microsoft has shown off. Focus Assist disables digital distractions like email and social media alerts, so you can turn it on when you need to focus. The Edge browser now offers a mute button on tabs to stop video background noise, plus books, PDFs, and reading view pages can go full screen. Timeline has been updated to go back and find files from up to 30 days ago. Talking to a Windows April 10th updated machine is easier than ever for quick note-taking, which is as simple as saying it out loud. Check out everything you need to know about the Microsoft Windows April 10th update features here.